I'm the Florida manager for One Door Corporation. We're the manufacturers of this fire door. It's called an accordion fire door. They're made in Salt Lake City, Utah. What I'm going to show you the operation of the door and a couple of things you need to know about the door. Basically, the door stays in its pocket all the time unless there's a fire alarm. I'm going to simulate a fire alarm going off now. The door will come out of the pocket. It completely closes off the opening. What makes this door different than, say, a shutter or some other type of fire door is that this door has egress capability. So a person that needs to move from one side of the door to the other after the fire alarm's gone off comes up to the fire exit hardware here. The green plate says push to open. You just press that. It opens up to an exit width, pauses, and then in a fire condition, it would close back up again. So I'll simulate that again. It would close back up again. Now, one safety feature in the door is that if the door is closing, when someone's walking through it initially, the door pauses, much like an elevator door. So if someone wants to walk through as it's closing, I'll show you what I mean. Just you stand right in the middle of it so that when... No, it's not going to hurt you. It just pauses, pulls back a couple of feet, and then after you go through, then it'll close again. Okay, so then in a normal position like this, after the fire alarm's cleared, you'd need to come to the door, put a key switch in, put the key in the key switch, and then set it back in the pocket. That's pretty much how the door operates. For maintenance, all we say is once a quarter, just run it across the opening, make sure the chain above is clear and the door operates properly. Once a year, it's fire tested by the fire department. We do not need to be there to do that. It'll just activate by itself when the fire alarm goes off, and then you put it back in the pocket when you're done. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty much self-maintaining. It is powered by building 120. But it also has a battery backup built into the door that backs it up if you lose building power. So the battery will keep running it even though you lose building power. That's pretty much it.